Hey YouTube, Engineer Bar 100. Today, I'm going to go ahead and let the professionals fix my roof leak. Straight Line Roofing is going to be doing the job, and the foreman in charge is going to be Gavino. So let's go out and meet him, and we'll videotape him doing his job. I'm going to share it with you guys today. Let's get started. Here's our catch bucket that we use during the rainy season. And here's the leak on the inside. And take you outside and show you where we think it's coming from. Here they come. Good morning. How you doing, man?
Good.
Hey, little Clint. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Galvino from Straight Line Roofing. He's going to do the repairs on the roof.
Yep.
And basically, he knows what he's doing. So what you got to do, basically? Just basically.
Find where the leak's at, fix it, and yeah, I'm back.
And there it goes. No worries. Good job. Like step one is to take up my butcher work of an attempt to fix it myself.
Even by scoring it, it's still.
Oh, it's
really attaches on both sides.
Good adhesive. Yeah, I did a little bit of research, but it didn't work.
Bye.
Don't fall.
I think I found the leak.
At the bottom of this, huh?
Once they found the leak, it was go time for removing the tiles. Right now, I'm learning what a great idea it was for me to get the professionals to do this instead of trying to do it myself. Holy smoke, Batman.
Getting tired? Hey.
Getting tired in the shade? Sitting down? Wow.
An inside joke.
Getting tired in the shade, sitting down. Wow. Well, I guess that would make you tired. Me going to take a nap. Yeah, I get it.
He wants to take it out. Is it actually 3 rib?
Yeah, it's 3 ribs
That's
already.
a 3 rib, yeah.
That's
It's 5 rib. It's 5. Oh, that's too many ribs.
Well, then let's barbecue them.
Yeah.
Once all the tiles were removed, they took up all the damaged roofing paper and the damaged battens. They replaced the battens with corrugated battens that won't hold water, and they were plastic so they won't rot.
No.
Nope.
We're gonna extend that out a couple feet.
Break.
The big
Just over the
problem
top.
is right here, how this crimp is folded down.
Okay.
Is that
Think about all the water coming out.
it's just
A
shooting
little bit of
over?
debris is going to go straight that way.
And that's what
And
it
this
is.
probably accelerated that too.
Yeah, and it's coming from there's a downspout behind you too.
Yeah.
That's loading up and flooding that splashing there.
Yeah, so you got all this water, this side, and this.
Here you see them removing the roofing paper, removing the damaged battens, and removing like a 5 rib, like a valley flashing. I'm not sure exactly what you call it. They did a great job, and when they removed the battens, the little wood strips that go across that hold the tiles, they removed more than just the damaged one. They removed a little bit more to ensure that all of the battens that remained was undamaged and well supported. They did an excellent job, and I was very, very happy with it. Here you see them removing the valley flashing, the 5-rib valley flashing. This is Gavino carrying it over the roof ridge right in front of me to get it out of the way so they can clear up a space to extend the underlayment paper so they cover more than just the immediate area of the leak. Once the underlayment is in place, they will take the flashing and replace it. Wait a minute. Salsa. Wait a minute. I like salsa. Here you can see them trimming back the old rotten batten pieces and preparing the way for the new replacement battens that will be plastic and corrugated so that water can go through them and not just set and rot through the roof. They did a great job cleaning up too, I must say. Yeah, I'm up here with them. Make no mistake, the old guy can still get up on the roof and hang out with the youngsters. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm starving to death. I'm here to pick up.
Yeah,
Yes.
is this chulos pepperoni and sausage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3066.
All right, let's do it. Got to take care of the crew, you know. What we got here for the crew? All right, guys, here we go.
Yep.
Let's go outside and take a look at the new sign. It's awesome, guys. Check this out.
Appreciate it.
You can't miss it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is where we're eating today. Here we go. You got to take care of your crew, man. Don't be bashful. Don't be bashful. I'm going to get started right now. Don't be bashful.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, so we're done for today. Day 1. Crew will be back tomorrow. Button it up. Put in all of the missing tiles. And cut a few tiles and fit them in. We're going to extend this downspout out so that it doesn't go directly into the valley here. And that should do it. Got all of the flashing and metal underneath this valley replaced. Sealed up that leak. And we'll let you guys see what it looks like once it's all done. Day 2, we got the crew. All right, guys, morning. I'll meet you on the roof. Here comes Gavino. Look at this guy. Up the ladder with tiles on shoulder. Oh my gosh.
water flow out this way. Less water hitting this.
This is our fearless crew. These are the magic men. These are the guys that make magic. They did a great job. Unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for your expertise. All right, guys, we got Tony here this time from Straight Line Roofing, and they put corrugated battens down, which is improving over the wood ones. They don't trap the water, they create rot, they create leaks. They did a bunch of really good stuff. They've improved the actual design superior to what was already up there. So I really appreciate their expertise, appreciate their time, and they really did an excellent job. They cleaned up, they helped me understand what they were doing instead of just doing it. So these guys are top-notch, A-plus caliber guys. So if you need your roof work done, call up Straight Line.
Gabby and I together have been there almost 20 years total, between the two of us alone.
Nice.
Yep.
Good job. All right. So good luck to you guys, and stay safe, and don't eat too much. They even left me 3 spare tiles, just in case we have an issue later. How nice. It's great. Wow. Can you believe this? 2 days after we get the roof leak fixed, we had a nice little rain. Perfect case in point test. So let's go inside and check the ceiling and see if it's leaking. Okay, here's my catch bucket inside. Here's the roof leak. We haven't fixed the drywall yet, but it's as dry as a desert. Nothing's coming through. Thanks, Straight Line.